Yeah, Baragi, I'm gonna go there soon, okay? Just wait. You're fighting? Who are you fighting? Revolution. Oh, okay. Yeah, come, Southeast.
Did you say Southeast?
Come Northwest, sorry. Yo, can somebody open the chest there? Can one party stay there first? Party 4, can you stay there? Party 2, 4, and 3. Party 4, 3, stay there first. Or 3, 4, sorry. Party 3 and 4, stay there first in castle. Party 3 and 4. Open the chest first. Yeah, zone in, let's go. Come northeast, sorry. Come northeast. Hug the wall, my friends. My god, why would you aggro it? Why? Inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 inside. Yo, don't aggro the mages, please. Or CC the mages, silence the mages. Inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop everything inside. And heal up. Baragi, you told your guy not to open chest, right? Yeah, what?
Yung incentive sa main zerg lang, di ba? Pang main zerg
Okay.
lang.
Yeah. Why? What do you mean? Bomb squad?
Okay.
Wait. Oh, you win. Okay. Yo, Baragi, tell your guy not to open Fisher, okay? I'm in forest already. Come southeast. Wonder where AR is. Yo, party 3 and 4, just follow back to me, okay? Head back to me. We do one last fight, then we demas. Glacier Fall Pass. I think they're fighting Ruo, if I'm not mistaken.
May rigir ka mamaya. Mugi.
Ang regir mamaya. Kapag-regir na ako ng 1 billion worth today. Actually, 2 billion yata eh. Anong yun? Nakapag-regir na ako ng 2 billion worth.
Big time.
Kansatis. If you don't have might, then you
Goodness,
probably
no, bro.
didn't touch the chest. Baragi, you going to Fisher, right? Baragi? Okay.
Chest is open.
Yo, come smash the castle. We take the points. Leave the loots, okay, Marlikas, leave the loots. Take points. I think it didn't increase by that much, to be honest. The castle points. How much did they do it? 50%.
It didn't hit yet. It takes time.
It only takes
After 20 minutes, you'll see it.
extra now.
No. I mean like the patches, right? They make castle points. You have to grind more castles to make it.
Yeah, you have to
right?
earn 50% more.
Damn, 50% more.
All that means now is instead of doing it in 2 weeks, it's going to take you 4 weeks, 3 weeks.
Okay.
Like it's fuck all.
Yeah, actually. Summers did it in 2 weeks, right? The first one without the patch.
That's what we did in one
Inside
gen,
five.
but we were taking 5 gold castles every gold timer.
Yeah. We could probably do it tomorrow. Yo, double OC niggas, hello? Why some OC breaking sir? Do I have a color for 16? Any colors for 16? Inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 inside. Yo, inside, where the fuck's the Lord? Inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop everything.
You don't have to open the chest, guys. Just be on the circle.
Yeah, beyond the circle, my niggas.
Ikaw lang magbukas mo, Gi.
Yeah,
Baka
listen,
maano na naman eh.
don't loot it. Everybody, just hold this outside. Don't loot it. Get the fuck away from the chest. Meerkat's gonna take the loots, guys. We're just taking the points. You get away. Go south, niggas. Go south,
Do not get items, diggers.
Go
Check mo nga mo, Gi. Baka may
Go
dumampot.
south. Sinisilip ko nga eh. Let's go. Mount up. Go out castle. We siege. Baragi, okay? Castle loot is still there, okay? Everybody come outside castle. We wait for Baragi. Listen, Marlica 16 UTC.
Dorogi,
Probably still
hello?
castle
Dorogi?
Probably still castle content.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuck you, nigga.
Bakit ang what the fuck, hello?
Whoa.
Whoa, what's happening here, man? What's happening here? Yo, good.
Love language.
Love language.
It's the craziest love language right there. No, listen up. 16 UTC.
Here's what.
I think
Yeah.
man he wants to FF 60 versus 60. No clap. No brawl. Only clap. You know. 2 rounds. Any color? Or is it me again? Is it me again? Like fuck, man. I did.
Hell.
I did what? What timers did I did today? 4, 6, 8,
Don't
12.
forget those timers didn't have content, so you didn't really do
God
nothing.
damn! I did all the timers. Yo, fuck you, Dandy. You fucking useless shit.
He's on the call switch playing another game.
Babalik yan pag lalaro si Morgan.
Yeah, we need Morg. I mean, Morg is online. Isn't Morgan Combs?
Naghahinga siya guild chat kanina. My Indian friend.
Dandy is not Indian.
He is my king. Dandy is my king.
He is the Pakistani king.
Yeah. He's Pakistan daddy.
Assalamualaikum, Dandy.
Dandy, I don't want to see a caller that's, grinding his 1M might at the end of the day. At the end of the fucking season. How you do like, how the fuck did you do like daily like fucking castle and still, had to fucking grind the 1M at the end of the fucking season?
No, I bought premium at the last 30 days. That's why.
Bro, come
What's
on,
the
man.
They have 8-3 bracers. Shit.
Okay, it's simple. I mark the palace
Oh yeah,
guard.
Mugi, where's my silver, huh? I was the top one in the might of Castle last season. The fuck?
Dandy, how about where is my 8.3? I destroyed you in CS 2 times.
Oi, one time.
2 times, Dandy. I was top
One
frag 2 times.
No, second one was hacker, you know.
Huh? What the fuck do you mean, nigga? Yeah, tomorrow, since reset is done tomorrow, if we don't have a big FF, we're gonna split up Zerg into two, okay? Whoever's recalling is probably Escalio or Jae-sang calling the second Zerg. Then the bomb squads. Listen, bomb squads, you also are split up, okay? Two of you are also split up. So, two bomb squads each. So that at least, we can set up fixed fight with either MEERKAT or Mogu. You guys understand? Yeah. Should be like that, yeah. Oh, wait, why the fuck is I mean, we're only big during reset anyways. We're usually massing a little smaller than this. They should be bigger. Baragi, you're around 44, right? 45? Do I zone out first? Yep. Yeah, okay. Come notice first. Yeah, Marika, zone out first. Let MEERKAT zone in first. Let the whole MEERKAT zone in first. Come notice, big. Come notice, boys. Come notice. Wake up. Yeah, the tanks battle mount stay here. Bomb squad stay. Everybody else hold notice. My whole main Zerg zone. Zone. Kaba. Starting tomorrow, okay? You nigga should be fucking 20 capped, okay? Okay, good. Fucking hell, man. Like at this point, go main Zerg, I go bombs. Everyone zone back. Yeah, zoning back, okay? Baragi. Zone and node. Just wait.
The queue, right, movie?
Yeah, is it queued already?
Yeah.
Queue.
Listen, there's a shit bomb outside, okay? So be careful. The people queuing also at the northeast, be careful also, okay? Everyone come southwest. Baragi, when we start? Do we start? Baragi, you good?
They have an infernal
Okay,
Mogi.
come southwest. Yeah, Baragi, just call GG, okay? Kasat. Wait, where is some of my party
They have
one?
an infernal stuff.
Yeah, this one here. Take this side first. Healers, party 2, party 3, how many you have?
There's Fury Bomb in this map. Rat Fury Bomb.
Listen. I need tanks looking behind because I don't want Kaba to get wiped again, please. Kaba, there's a Fury bomb behind, okay? Okay? Yo, Marika, put up. Yo, if we get bumped from behind, fuck you guys, okay? Tanks, okay? Put up. OC. Careful in the front line. They're gonna look soon, okay? Rotation of guardians, listen. Rotation of guardians.
Enemies to 8.3 TPS.
Kasi two
Careful.
healers, movie.
Heal shallow only. Sorry, what are you saying?
3 healers are still zoning. We are in
Yeah, it's fine.
40 seconds zone.
Just queue in. Yeah, just queue in. Careful, shallow, def shallow. Mom. You keep smashing. Ready defo na gito eh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, gate. Come back.
They have a shaper, main engage. I think.
They have bomb squad engage. Okay, watch out.
One bomb squad I think dead.
해바라기 have engage. 다 무기 타러.
Yeah, Baragi has engaged Joy. Careful, listen.
Broken mugi.
Yo, kill the sealer east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the sealer east side. Come back southwest. Listen. Yo,
Careful
kill the
sa wall.
guards inside. Careful behind,
Careful
please.
the wall.
Careful over the wall. Listen, careful on the north side also. Just smash the gate, boys. Just smash the gate, okay? I think. Careful.
It is
careful,
all the
careful.
shit.
Heal up.
It was bomb squad.
Okay.
해바라기 have
Yo,
engage.
careful this. I think bomb north side, okay? Careful, okay? Careful. Baragi's looking on the gate, okay? Ready, guard on the gate, okay?
Shaper.
Careful in the front line. Listen. Careful in the front line, okay? Careful in the front line. Just wait. Fuck, I can't mark Baragi. He's just sticking on the gate, man. What's this bomb? I think there's a... Careful on the north side, okay? Over the wall. I think it's a melee bomb over the north side wall. Careful.
For those who are in Elder Sleep, careful, there's a bomb.
Careful.
Breaking.
You ready, Def? Wait, hold on. Do not go in yet. Listen, do not go in yet. Listen, okay? We smash slowly. Only tanks. Listen, only tanks and guardians over the wall, okay? Tanks, guardians, and heals over the wall, okay? Smash from the south side of the gate, please. South side. Careful. Do not step in, boys. Do not step in. Listen. Do not step in. Just help my front line shallow, okay? Supports, just watch my front line shallow. Don't stay on the choke, boys. Don't stay on the choke on me, okay? Don't stay on the choke on me. Listen, over the wall, heal me over the wall, and yo, just stay outside. Not in. Just stay outside. Just wait. Just smash. You wait. Okay. Ready, Def.
Watch out.
Def. Def and heal. Oh, heal up. Ready for next engage. Ready your potion for next engage. Just wait. Oh, no. Nice bomb.
Shaper.
Wait,
Shaper.
Careful on the shaper. Marlica, get ready to headbutt. Marlica, pop your potion. Headbutt on the gate. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the gate southeast now. It's a hold zerg. Come back.
They still look troops. They still.
Ready, Def on a choke. Def on a choke. Full def. Drop all defenses in heals. Heal up. Okay, good. Careful.
And no shaper on the east side over the wall.
East on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the gate. Come back and heal. GG. Come back. Come back. Oh, yeah, that was too fucking laggy, man.
That's so much.
Dandy, why are you loading?
And aren't they gonna
Yeah,
plan to add an
overweight already,
update
man.
to make the graphics look better?
Overweight Dandy.
Optimize.
Come Naruto's.